We are here at the Web Summit in Lisbon, launching FindHeli. It's a global online booking platform available in many different countries here in Europe, including Portugal, Greece, Germany, France, London, and Switzerland. With FindHeli, you can easily book helicopters from different cities easier than ever before. And we just launched the iOS version 2 weeks ago. We are super excited about this product. The whole platform has been built by Cheesecake Labs, a Brazilian company based in Florianopolis. And that's it. I hope everyone who has a chance to come to Europe enjoy this new platform. Thank you.